WLU hearing aids, rechargeable. We're going to demonstrate, show you what this is about. As we open up the package, on top is your instruction guide and information provided. As we open, go over some of the instructions, how to set up and use your hearing aid. The removal of the hearing aid out of its foam casing. It is protected by film. Below the casing will be your accessory package. As we open up the accessory package, we have a micro cleaning cloth, left and right sets of hearing plugs, your USB-C compliance charging cable, and a cleaning brush. The hearing aid case and charging case opens up to your hearing aid, your right side, your left side. As we take a measurement, it's about 1¼ inches by 0.86 inches. In millimeters, that would give a measurement about 32 by 17. The case itself is about 3½ by 2¼ by 1.125 in depth. The hearing aid. This is the right side. No marking. Places into the cradle for recharging, and this is the left side. Easy to close, easy to charge with a soft micro LED light of charging, located by the index finger. Each of the hearing aids are color coded. One is red for right, blue for left. When lifted in and out of the case, the hearing aid is in the on stage. To change the head and clean, simply lift the hearing aid out, grab and pull away, grab a replacement earpiece, and carefully grab over the hearing aid piece and place on the hearing aid ear plug. You are given a brush so you can pull out and clean. Showing of the instructions, we have a mode button, 5 volumes of down and up. The mode button is on the opposite page, showing you over here. As we demonstrate the hearing aid in the mode on, 1, level 1 of volume to the ear by wrapping around and placing in. As glasses are worn, they can fit over. Carefully place in the hearing aid so they stay in. Each of the hearing aids are independent from one another. Wrap around the ear and place in. Glasses fit over as shown. We have mode 1, level 1. With each of the modes of 4 different modes and sceneries can be found online and in the manual for your needs. Pressing on the back for mode changes, you'll hear a beep and silence noise canceling. The hearing aids are lightweight. They are nice in design. They have a recharging case, hours on end of use. Automatic on, automatic off when in the case. No manual turning off or on the hearing aid manually. When choosing a level, an audible beep of 1 beep, 2 beep, higher beeps of 4 different modes, and single, double, triple, 4, 5 beeps for the volume. As I show and demonstrate on the side, on the up is the volume up, and on the down is the volume down, and this is the mode change. The buttons are hard press. They are solid buttons. With the hearing aids, when completed and recharging, pull out, place into the case, and recharge. Just like that. To charge the hearing aids up, simply plug in a USB-C cable to the back and allow it to fully charge with the red LED indicator. As the red LED indicator blinks on and off slowly. These are rechargeable hearing aids for seniors and kids of all ages. Mild moderated hearing with OTC hearing aid. Amplifier devices for your hearing needs. Noise canceling and volume control. Clear sound audio phones. Auto on and off, out and inside of the case while charging. Intuitive buttons to press. Volume up, down, and mode. 4 different modes, 5 different volumes. Independent left and right for your hearing needs. 48 hours of standby, 10 hours of run time. 1.5 hours per left, per right, and charging case. Charges up to 4+ times, 10 hours of runtime, 48 hours of standby. With AI technology, noise canceling, and advanced 16 channels of digital DSP. Smart background noise detection and voice enhancement of -35 dB. I hope you enjoy your hearing aids, and thank you for viewing.